Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, so set up our paper order of operations. We're going to practice today. We're going to start out easy and get crazy at the end. All right, so whenever I see these problems with multiple operations, I always write this on my paper. So write that on your paper. P stands for parentheses first. Sorry, that's not how you spell it. Parentheses. All right, so E is for, exponents. Oh, MD, that's multiplication and division left to right. A and S, addition and subtraction left to right also. All right, so let's see what we got for number 1. 25 minus 14 plus 3. Okay, so I see subtraction and addition. That means I'm hanging out right here. So I'm hanging out on this level of PEMDAS. I go addition and subtraction left to right. So I start here on the left and move to the right. Left to right. So that means I actually subtract first. Even though S is last, I'm actually going to subtract before I add because I'm going left to right because I'm on this level right here. So 25 minus 14, I'll do it off to the side if I want. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 11. So this is 11, and then plus 3, because I add last. 11 plus 3 is 14. There we go. So simplified, this equals 14. Cool. Well, let's do this. That's a division symbol. 39 times 15 divided by 3 in parentheses minus 16. Well, obviously, I got parentheses, so I'm hanging out here first. So 39 times 15 divided by 3 is, 5 minus 16. Okay, so now every single step, I just see what I got. So multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication is higher up the hierarchy than subtraction. So this is the level I'm at now. So 39 times 5. Do that off to the side. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. So this is 195. Oh my goodness. Minus 16. So I take this and I subtract 16 from that. Can't subtract 5 from 6. I need a 10. So I'm going to make that an 8 and make this 5 a 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. And then 1 minus nothing is 1. 179. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Cool. 2 more. Doing good. All right. 42 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, what do I do first? Division. So I'm going to divide first and then add as last because division is higher up the hierarchy. Okay. So 42 plus, what's 6 divided by 2? 3. 42 plus 3 is, 45. Got it. All right, cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right, try and do this one on your own. Number 4, 9 plus 7 times, in parentheses, 15 plus 3 divided by 3 squared. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's see what you got. Okay, step by step. So obviously I'm going to do parentheses first. I got parentheses right here. 9 plus 7 times 15 plus 3 is 18. So that's 18 divided by 3 squared. Okay. What am I going to do now? Oh, exponents. So now I'm on exponents level right here. I got to do that next. 9 plus 7 times 18 divided by 3 squared is 9. All right. There we go. Okay, keep cruising. See what we got. So now I got addition, multiplication, and division. All right. So what am I going to do? I need to, multiply, because I go multiplication to division, left to right. Multiplication, division, left to right. So I need to do 18 times 7. 8 times 7, 56. There we go. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 2, 126. So 9 plus 126 divided by 9. There we go. Got it. All right, so what am I going to do next? I don't know. Oh, addition or division. I need to divide, right? So I need to divide. So 9 divided by 126. Or 126 divided by 9, my bad. 126 divided by 9. Okay, so 9 goes into 12 once, right? 1 times 9 is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. And then bring down the 6. 9 goes into 36. 4 times. There we go. 4 times 9 is 36, and we're done. There we go. So this is 14. So 9 plus 14. Because this is 14. All right, cool. What's 9 plus 14? Yeah, 23. Answer right there. That was a tough one. This one you may want to do again on your own. Great job, everybody. Keep it going.